Dr. Bernard Hausen, shares of Cardica are up around 30% in the past month. Tell me a little bit about the company and your Microcutter exchange, and then we'll talk about what's driving the stock.
Yeah, sure. We're a medical device company that has developed micro-stapling technology. This is technology that is useful in almost any type of surgical procedure. Current staplers on the market, and it's a huge market, it's about a $4 billion worldwide market of sealing and stapling devices, are two entrenched competitors, Johnson & Johnson and Covidien, and all of their staplers are at minimum 12 millimeters in diameter, which means all the access ports the patients need have to be 12 or bigger.
All right, so sometimes smaller is better, right?
That's this is the case in this instance. The stapler we developed is the Microcutter. The Microcutter is a 5 millimeter stapler, so it fits through trocars as small as 5 millimeters. And the other thing, it can articulate up to 80 degrees. The most a stapler can articulate on the market today is 45 degrees. And why is this important? Because it helps the surgeon minimize access and improve agility, access to difficult to reach parts in the body.
And it was just approved for regulatory approval in Japan. That really helped pop the stock this week. How big is the Japanese market once it finally gets approved over there?
Well, Japanese population is a third of the US, about over 100 million population. They are very minimally invasively focused, almost more than any other country in the world. So technology that allows them to become less invasive is generally very acceptable, plus they're very tech savvy. They like new technological products. So I think we have a very big opportunity in Japan. So they just submitted for regulatory approval. That's a fairly lengthy process in Japan.
Meanwhile, it's actually been approved in Europe. How are sales in Europe?
Our focus in Europe has primarily been to develop reliability of this product. When you develop something as radical and novel as this, you have a learning curve. There's a reliability growth phase that you need to anticipate. We're doing that in Europe. We just finished a clinical trial with this product. The product was evaluated in gastrointestinal procedures, so resecting colon or stomach, and there we showed that the product is as safe as all competitive staplers in historical controls. And with that information, last week we announced the clinical results, and we plan to submit to the FDA for 510(k) clearance this week.
Well, all right, so it's still not approved here in the US, and analysts on Wall Street expect your company to lose 36 cents this year and 22 cents next year. Do you have enough cash to get you through until it's approved here in the US?
We'll have to raise more money. We work with Wedbush, one of our main bankers, to go out and find investors who understand the significant upside we can have, especially if this product gets 510(k) approved.
All right, thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot. Pleasure.
Good luck.
Thank you.